in university for a month or two and then dropped out because I thought business school was stupid, and I still kind of stand by that.
Not a school guy,
No, I love school. I love learning.
but not business school. Why not business school?
Because I went to business school to learn how to run a business and start a business.
And how'd
Have
that
my
turn
own
out?
business. It doesn't teach you any of that.
What actually goes on in business
Well, I
school?
was and like people would flame me who actually went to business school and maybe finished, but I was there for a month or two. It literally teaches you how to be in middle management. Or if you major in accounting, it'll teach you how to be an accountant, or it'll teach you how to be an HR, and that's great if you want to do
Don't you think
that.
those are skills you should have as a business owner?
Yeah. But if you want to start and run a business, you're going to learn way more by starting and running a business. That make sense?
It makes sense to a point, but these are that's like saying to start training for a marathon, you just start running.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, that's way better than sitting and researching for 4 years about how to run. That's the greatest.
True, but
right
if you
there.
don't know how, but the business school would be like the stuff you do behind the scenes.
No.
Where you're not training for running, but it'd be like you're taking in, that's your diet and your nutrition
No.
and your sleep.
No,
and
the
your
business
regimen.
school is teaching you how to run for 4 years instead of just going and running. And it's not even
So you
teaching
think
you
it's
how to
all
run.
theory?
It is all theory.
Okay,
It is
so
all
you don't
theory.
recommend it.
Not if you actually want to run a business, but if you want to be in middle management or maybe higher up, mid-level executive, or if you want to get into HR or major in any of those other fields that I actually needed to know technical stuff in, like accounting or anything, then it's great.
So let's flip it a different way. Would business school, and maybe it's just the school you went to, but would a business degree be beneficial for someone who's already started a business
No,
and
I
could
don't
draw
see why
upon
it would.
areas? No?
I don't see why it would.
Okay. I'm just curious.
In terms of like relational value,
I have zero formal training.
I think the only benefit of if I had stuck around in school would have been meeting people who are also into business and maybe forming some relationships there.
So the whole click contact kind of
Yeah.
thing.
And maybe I would have met somebody who would have had a good idea and started the next Google. Who knows? Who
Gotcha.
knows?
So you dropped out, or you just finished, or what'd you do?
Oh, I just dropped out. I essentially stopped going. I didn't even send in paperwork. I just stopped going after a couple months.
Couple months. You didn't give it a chance.
No chance. No chance.
That's bold claims. So, and then you just started your own business, or did you go on something else?